A closer look 1. 4. Listen and repeat the sentences, paying attention to intonation. Do they have rising or falling intonation?
Unit 6. Page 60. A closer look 1. Pronunciation. Activity 4. Listen and repeat the sentences, paying attention to intonation. Do they have rising or falling intonation?
1. What a colourful hat she is wearing.
2. What a time we had today.
3. What beautiful eyes she has.
4. What a nice day it is.
5. What good news it is.
5. Practice these sentences. Then listen and repeat.
Unit 6. Page 60. A closer look 1. Pronunciation. Activity 5. Practice these sentences. Then listen and repeat.
1. What a beautiful princess she is.
2. What brave knights they are.
3. What a big nose the wolf has.
4. What a fierce ogre it is.
5. What a handsome prince he is.